So this is my room during the trip in Pranburi. So Pranburi is the south of Thailand, not really south but go down further to the south. This is my bed. As you can see, this room is pretty huge. And you can also look down to the beach from the balcony of your room. Look at that. Look at the trees and the sea, this blue sky. I can hear the birds singing around the room though. This is like heaven. I would say this room perfect for couples because it's really a lot of space around here. Wow. This is so romantic. Check out, guys. And last but not least, this is the view during the evening. I mean, I'm shocked. Really. This is so beautiful and so romantic, guys. So, I really want to keep this secret, but I'm gonna leave you the name of the hotel and the location down in the description below. By the way, this was during COVID-19. It was about 3 years ago, and that's why this place is so quiet and so calm. Anyway, if you guys wanna chat or leave me some comments, that would be great. Apart from that, see you in the next video. Bye.